Welcome to the Application Authorization Workflow video. The purpose of this video is to detail how the RES Showcase platform has been configured and allow you to quickly evaluate an application authorization workflow process. Okay, so I'm going to show you the application authorization process with RES Service Orchestration and the integration with Workspace Manager. So we have an application that is configured for application approval. So we have InfoPath 2007, which is installed on the various machines. But if I come to the Windows 7 VM, you can see I'm logged on as a Sales 01 user. Okay, and within my start menu, I don't have access to InfoPath. So the application has been configured. So users qualify for this application. Everyone qualifies, so anyone can request this application. Okay, there are no restrictions or dependencies. The workflow is triggered when people request a service. So from within the Service Orchestration client, the user can request the application, and the workflow is going to require approval. Okay, so the approval is configured for the user's manager. So configured with an Active Directory, the Sales 01 user has a manager defined, and that user is going to need to authorize the application. Okay, once the application has been approved, okay, the user's workspace is going to be refreshed, and the application is going to be made available to the user. Okay, so if I look within Workspace Manager, you can see that InfoPath is configured to only be available to users who have subscribed to the Microsoft InfoPath 2007 service. So they've requested it and they've been approved. Okay, and the application will then show up in the user's start menu. Okay, so from the Windows 7 VM as a Sales 01 user, I can come in and I can request the InfoPath application and go ahead and request that. Now the authorization process is going to send that to the user's manager, which just so happens to be Sales 010. So I've logged on to the XP VM, okay, and I have the Service Orchestration console down here, and I will get a notification in a minute that there's a pending approval. Okay, so I have a pending action from within the Service Orchestration client. I could get an email sent to me as well, which would then take me to the web portal to perform the authorization. So within here, these messages are configurable. We have a message saying that permission is needed to deliver the InfoPath service for Sales 01. Now I can go ahead and authorize this by clicking allow. If I wish to deny it, I could click deny, or I could cancel the whole action and revert the workflow back. So I'm going to go ahead and allow this application. So from the end user's perspective, you can see that the end user's workspace is refreshing. There's a pending action here which is saying that it needs to be actioned, and you can see I now have access to the InfoPath 2007 application. Okay, so if I launch the application, you can see it's already installed and the application launches. And that's a simple demonstration of application authorizations with Service Orchestration. For more information on the Virtual Engine Showcase platform or RES software products, please check out the following website resources. Many thanks for taking the time to listen.